When you are about to die, it doesn't matter what you have in the world. The money and power become deceptive for you. The things which matter a lot are about those people who are close to your heart and care for you. When you died, at your funeral, nobody talks about your success, career, and love. If your behavior and character are good with people, then after death people remember you in good words like he is a very kind and warm-hearted person. Make a splash. When we behave others with good and warm-heartedness, this is a very precious thing for those people. Everything you gain in life falls apart when you left the world. Life is like a glass that reflected. What we do with others reflects back to us. When you born, the world is happy, feels pleasure, but when you die the world cries.